Depend on PIH Health Neonatal Intensive Care Unit to help you care for your baby in ways that support bonding and development. When you hold your baby against your chest, skin to skin, this is called kangaroo care. During kangaroo care, you will be holding your baby skin to skin for an hour or more. To best prepare, please make sure you use the restroom, medicate for pain if needed, see your provider if you're still hospitalized. Here's what you need to know about a standing transfer for kangaroo care. A standing transfer is easiest for your baby. The nurse will initially assist you in preparing your baby for transfer. The nurse will place a blanket under the baby and secure any tubes or lines. You will stand next to your baby's isolette. Place your hands under the blanket and bend forward, leaning your chest as far down towards your baby as comfortable. Draw the baby towards your chest while the team assists you with maintaining your baby's tubes and lines. Once you have the baby secured against your chest, slowly stand upright. Wait for the direction from your nurse, who will guide you when to step backwards towards the chair to sit. If you're unable to do a standing transfer, the nurse will place your baby on your chest after you sit down. Throughout your stay in the neonatal intensive care unit, speak frequently with your care team. Together, we will decide when your baby is ready to be held skin to skin. When you and your baby are ready, we encourage this special type of holding at least once per day. Kangaroo care offers important benefits for both you and your baby and will be a memorable way to build your bond and relationship. Thanks for watching.